In this video, we are going to see how we can turn any image into a cartoon image. So whether it's image of yourself or someone else, you can easily do this in Canva. So first of all, what I have done is I've just searched in elements for a person. I just wrote it here person and I got some photos. This is from the default ones. And after that, if we want to convert it into cartoon, what we can do is just go to apps at the left hand corner where you see different options and search for the apps which says Cartoonify. Right here, cartoon, and you will see this app. Click on this, and the one with the loin, that's what we want to use. And we are going to click this, and basically we are going to use any of the free image like this one. Let's try on this. I'll make it a little bit bigger, and then let's head over to apps and right here cartoon, and we want to click on this Cartoonify. Just remember that if you're using an educational version, it will not allow you because the admin is someone else. So make sure that you are in the free account where you are the complete owner of that specific profile or Canva account. Click on open. It will process it a little bit. As you can see, you can mention some custom instructions as well, but let's continue with whatever it has as default. And now you can see that it has cartoonified this image. Either we can replace this image, add to a design. So let's add to a design. And here is the cartoonist version of this. Pretty cool, right? So if we, let's say, increase the size of it, see how cool it looks as a cartoon image. And let's see some other results with some other applications. Let's explore something else. If we go to the apps and we write anime, we will also see Animify. And there are a lot of applications here as well, but we'll use the one, this kind of image. Click open, and you can choose any of the style however we want. Let's say that this one should be vibrant, Animify. You can just choose and select that image. So let me select one image, click on Animify and wait for it to complete. And there you go, guys. Click on add to design and you will see how cool it looks. Animify is even showing a better result than the other one. It's just depend on your preference. Let me just add the image side by side so that you can clearly see what has been edited. So this was the image, guys. As you can see how good it is in animifying that specific picture. It looks very, very nice. So it depends on your preference, whatever you like. Either you just want a cartoonist effect like this, or you want the anime style character. But both of these tools are very, very useful. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you want to learn more amazing stuff on our channel, you can join the playlist link in the description, and I will see you in the next one.